Yo, what is going on? We're back with another banger video, and in today's video we're meeting up with my boy Devani, and as soon as he pulls up I'll show y'all, but it's gonna be a good video. But there he is. His shit is really clean. I like the brakes a lot. Let me show y'all. Look at them wheels, bro. Them brakes are fire. I fuck with purple a lot. If my car was like not red, I would rock purple brakes. Aftermarket LED, headlights. The lip is different on there. The mirrors, I fuck with the mirrors a lot. That's it. Inside. Yo, he got the carbon just like me. Oh, that thing nice. Look at them. That's my boy Devani though.
It's good. It's good. Subscribe to the channel.
Hell yeah. Bye bye. Back to the lobby.
Okay.
3.7, 3.7. What's done to yours?
Intakes, exhaust, that's about it.
Intake, tune, exhaust.
You a tune?
Yeah.
Oh, you a bitch.
That's him, bro. I got my boy right here, Zell. That color is so clean. Making a quick video. This shit quick. Corsas, full bolt on. Not E85 yet, but soon. Soon E85? Maybe not. I think, I'm pretty sure. Or Pro, it might be Pro Charger.
Pro Charger?
Yeah.
It sounds Pro Charger.
It sounds like a Pro Charger. You honk! I think I went off first a little bit, maybe. Damn, bro. That shit was... I went off so early.
That's what I told him when they started stuff. Y'all can do a dig right here.
Yeah, get next to me. Yeah, we gotta make sure there's no cop down there, though.
Cops be here, bro.
Yeah, for real.
Oh, you silly. You drink like crazy. Oh, she trying to...
What? Wait. Hey, where are we going?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Get next to me. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God, bro. I'ma let off. Oh my God, bro. Oh my god, we're going way too fast. Bro, that shit is scary as fuck. You want me to honk?
You honk.
What happened? What happened?
I ripped on my soul, bro.
Oh my god. I kind of keep missing the shift too. Yo. Yo. That was good. I missed. I keep missing, bro. I'm shifting too late.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Bro, I was right there, Devani. Dude. Oh my god, fuck. Alright, let's pick him up. That shit stinks, bro. Brakes are on fire. You have better brakes than I do.
Everything perfect.
If I do
You'll
everything
be close,
perfect,
you'll
yeah.
be close, but I got you like by a little. Like that last dig, bro. It was by a bumper, dog. I was like,
Yeah, that shit
that
was.
much in front of you, dog.
I was pulling when we passed him. I was like pulling on you.
Yeah, see,
So I don't know.
It's a good, it's good run, bro. It's good run.
Yeah. Yeah, this bitch hot. But he got the fucking dual fucking intakes. Anyways, y'all let me know who won. It was a good run. It was a good race. But shout out to Devani and Brett. We gotta do a video with him because his shit is fast as fuck.
It's kind of fast.
Is huh? That would be a good race.
That would be a good race.
Yeah.
We can do that.
You probably will. On a low end, I might get him. I don't know.
Stiction.
I'm auto.
It's 10 speeds I'd be fucking with.
Yeah,
Stiction.
that's
That
true.
would be a good
You
race.
miss a gear,
Yeah.
I'm gone. But don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned. We're gonna bring some banger videos like we always do. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.